Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru, where we provide 100% free guidance. In today's video, we will be discussing sponsored license renewal. But first, let's learn what are the new rules for sponsored license renewal for licenses expiring after 6th April 2024. Then further in this video, I will answer following questions too. For example, I have paid and renewed my sponsor license recently. Will I get refund? Another question is how to check if my sponsor license is renewed or not. Another question is my skilled worker visa employee has left and I don't want my sponsor license to be renewed after 10 years. What should I do? Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. So the first question is, what are the new rules for sponsored license renewal for licenses expiring after 6th April 2024? So in January, they have changed the rule, and from 6th April, the new rules are applicable. As per new rule, the requirement for UK sponsors to renew their sponsor license every 4 years is being abolished from April 2024 under new Home Office rules. So in January, they gave this statement in which they clearly said that the 4-year rule is gone and now the new rule is UK sponsor license due to expire on and after 6th April 2024 are now being automatically extended by 10 years. Licenses that are automatically extended will not end unless the license is revoked by the Home Office or the organization surrenders their license. To illustrate as an example, a sponsor license due to expire on 1st June 2026 will now expire on 1st June 2036. Let's take another question. I have paid and renewed my sponsor license recently. Will I get refund? If you have already made a renewal application for the sponsor license, the license will be updated automatically with the extension and the Home Office will contact you to arrange to refund the renewal fees. Because of the new rule, they are not meant to keep the renewal fees. So but it's not applicable from today. I mean, it's like from the date when you have done it. So it's the way it will work from April. If you between April onwards, you have paid the fees. Yeah. From January onwards, not April. April, the rule is started, but January onwards, if you have renewed it, then you are due the fees. January 2024. Okay. So if they haven't paid you back, you can ask the money back because there is no renewal fees after January 2024. How to check if my sponsor license is renewed or not? Sponsor license holders should check their license summary page on their SMS, which is also known as Sponsorship Management System, okay, to confirm that the extension, if applicable, has been applied. So if you go on that section, you will see that it will say the expiry date 10 years after the date from when you have received the license. So it has changed from 4 years to 10 years. My skilled worker visa employee has left and I don't want my sponsor license to be renewed for 10 years. What should I do? To be honest, you should not be worried about it. You should keep your license because it's a hassle to get the license because people are struggling to get the license. But if you really want, in that case, if you don't need the license, you can plan to allow your sponsor license to expire on its expiry date. Leave it like that. Don't do anything. If you really want to get your license cancelled or that stuff, in that case, you have to actively surrender the license by notifying the Home Office that you wanted to surrender the license. You don't need the license. That's the only way. Okay.